One of the easiest ways to prepare a fish is to make steak. Kaya today, gagawa tayo ng steak and steak fried rice. Let's start cooking. So today, I have 2 pieces of beautiful ribeye steaks. Ang key talaga nito is not to rush it in terms of thawing, di ba? Pag nabili natin siya na frozen, dapat i-thaw out natin, pahinay-hinay, no? From the freezer, ililipat natin siya sa chiller. And yung ginagawa ko, ino-open ko siya and I always pat it dry. So parang in a way, you are dry aging it in your chiller. Bakit ganun? It will become more tender and flavorful. So ito siya, di ba? Yung very important sa ating steak, it's dry. Before we season our steaks, yung gagawin ko, nakikita natin yung fat. Kasi fat is flavor. So yung gagawin natin dyan, ito, style ko to, tinatanggal ko yung fat ng aking beef. And I will season my steaks properly. You want it to have a very nice salted crust and pepper. If you want to add pepper, you can also add pepper. Pero ito, I like to season it really well. And ito yung taba, ang aking beef fat. Yung gagawin ko dito, gagamitin ko siya sa aking fried rice. So gagawa tayo ng steak fried rice. I'm just going to dice it, no, into small pieces yung aking beef. Not so healthy, pero, well, look at that, ha. I am rendering the fat. So, hindi na ako mag-a-add muna ng ibang klaseng oil, no? Ang oil galing sa rendered beef, yun ang magiging oil ko to sear my steaks. See, oh, so much fat, so much oil is rendered from my fat trimmings. And let's sear our steaks. So, we will cook it medium, no? Sear, very hot. We want that color. When you sear, you might want to press it down to be sure that every part of the surface touches the hot skillet, no? Oh, then I'm continuing to render my beef fat on the side. Look at that, ang daming beef fat na kukuha, ha? And we will put it aside. I'm not yet done, no? Tatabi ko siya. Even sear, konti pa. But even sear, then I'll put that aside to rest. I'll do the other one. And I will prepare my garlic. Anong garlic dito? Garlic ko, I will just smash the garlic. I don't want my garlic to be cut into small pieces. It's seared na siya. Philip. Beautiful crust. Look at that. Kunin natin yung ating fried beef fat on the side. Gagamitin natin yan sa ating fried rice later on. So, we've seared our beef beautifully on both sides. Rest natin siya. Now, I will add my garlic. And now, I will add my butter. Kasi yung ating garlic, ayaw nating masunog yung garlic. So, now, all I have to do is just baste it in butter, no? So that maging sobrang nice ang aking steaks. Baste lang natin siya ng ating butter. Turn down the heat. Bale, ito na yung in-in, no? We seared it. In-in na lang to just to get the right doneness of ating steak. And very important, when you're making steak, ano ang importante sa steak? You let it rest. Huwag mong madaliin. Now, we're ready. Ang ating steaks, tatabi na natin siya. Let it rest. Perfect medium to. No? Let it rest. So, pag magluto ka ng steak, huwag mong madaliin, no? Very important, you let it rest. I have my garlic here. Yung gagawin ko sa aking garlic. I will smash my garlic. If you want to reduce the amount of fat here, pwede mong bawasan ng fat, which I will do. I will just have enough for my rice, but this is going to be so delicious. Yan, tatabi ko lang itong aking excess na melted butter. But the rest, I will add it here to my kaning lamig. And I will season with a bit of soy sauce or if you want, liquid seasoning. Ganun lang kasimple. Malasang malasa. You have the beef fat, the butter, the garlic, and I really like my rice to be properly cooked, no? Yung even na even yung pagka-mix niya. Oh, beautiful. Let's clean up our board and let's slice our steaks. My rice is done. Ang key na lang dito, wag nating madalin yung ating steak. Dapat na rest siya. So, after cooking, Let it rest. Ito, sa ganito kakapal, mga 3 to 5 minutes is fine. Add a rice. Yan. Plate of rice. And our steaks are done. Hating kapatid. Beautiful. So, very important to rest and taste your steak. Beautiful. Look at that, no? Perfectly pink. This is steaks to share, guys. So, very important when you're making steak to thaw your meat properly. Huwag mong madaliin. Thaw it overnight. Then, let it chill for 2-3 days para mas maging tender siya and flavorful. And, warm it down to room temperature. Kung ano ka-warm yung skin mo, dapat ganun lang din ka-warm yung ating steaks before searing. Also, remember to season it properly. Sear it over very hot heat. Then, baste mo lang siya in butter or oil to the doneness na gusto mo. Diba? Yan! Oh my God, it's so beautiful. And kung tingnan mo, it's pink. That is not blood, ha? Yan. That is properly cooked steak. And if you overcook your steak, magiging tough siya. May natira para sa akin daw to, di ba? Oh! Titikman ko tong fried rice ko. Hindi pwede, hindi ko tikman. Bong? Panalo. To make your food delicious, just like preparing your steak, love like simple. Di ba? Konting alaga lang ng steak mo and it will give you the best quality result by cooking and preparing it correctly. Ito na siya, ating ribeye steak and our steak fried rice. Simple! Please like and share my videos, and if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!